My name's Henry Aguilar. I've been with the company for 35 years. What I love about Airbagit air suspension is we fabricate our own parts in-house, and these two are shackles for an '07 Tundra. I'm going to show you how this is done, how it's made, just so that you get a good idea of how much it takes in the process of making these in-house. It all starts here with a sheet of 1/4 inch steel. We run the laser on it, burn our parts, and then from here it goes to the second stage. So this is what I'm talking about. It comes out of the laser like a flat piece, and then this will get formed on the brake press. Once it's bent here, it'll just look just like this. This is step number 3. After it comes from the brake press, it'll look like this when it's bent, when it's formed. And you get your bushing tube. You set it right here. You got to be nice and centered, and you're ready to tack so that it can go to stage 4. So this is stage 4, where it's getting fully welded, getting ready to go to powder coat, and that'll be a finished product. So this is the finished product. We'll bring it to powder coat. It'll be hung right here, and it'll get ready to powder coat with this special gun right here.